Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question still under tutorial on statistics, episode number 20. The table below gives the frequency distribution of marks scored by 400 students in a text. These are the marks given unto us. So we have to find correct one decimal place, the mean mark, and the standard deviation. So this is one easy way because they have already given us the table. They gave us the fx also. So we need to add additional column which will help us find that of the standard deviation. And what do we need for that? We need the fx what? Square. We need the fx square, which is the square of the x times f, or the x times fx. You know, when I multiply fx by x, it becomes fx squared. So I'm multiplying this by this, as in 1 times 14 as 14, 2 times 60 as 120, 3 times this. So these are the values we have for fx squared. Now remember, we need to find the total of this column, the total of this column, and the total of that. The first total, which is sigma fx, the summation of all this, we have been told is 400. So even if you calculate, you get what? 400. Let's go for the the sigma fx, which is this column. Let's add everything, and that will give us 2280. Then we need to add everything here as sigma fx squared. When we add all this, we get 15018 for those figures. Now that we have these figures, we can go to question 1, which is the mean is given by sigma fx over sigma f. So in this case, what value do we have for fx? No, this one is sigma f. Sigma f. The sigma fx is 2280 divided by what? 400. Right? Good. So let's check that on our calculator. 2280 divided by 400. That will give you 5.7. So this is going to be 5.7. That is for the mean mark, or the mean, is it mark? Yes, the mean mark. Then where is it? I should have put in, okay, A is here already, so let's go for B, which is standard deviation. Let me just use SD, which is the root of sigma fx squared, sigma f minus the mean, which is this square. So we do substitution and see how that will look like. So from here, let's go with substitution. Our standard deviation will now be the root of, in the space of this, we have 15018 divided by sigma f, which is what? 400 minus. We can decide to bring the whole of this square, but already we know it as what? 5.7 all square. So that means we are now going to have, dividing 15018 by 400, that gives us 37 point, is that 5? Yeah, 545 minus 5.7 square, right? That will also give us 32.49, all under the root. Let's find that arithmetic and see. That will be giving you 5.055. We put that all under the root, 5.055, and that will give us 2.248. Are we told to leave it in any decimal place? Find correct one decimal place. So we can see that therefore the standard deviation is going to be 2.2, 1 decimal place. Just like we have this one be 5.7. That one is even exactly 5.7 exactly. I guess the concept is clear. We are only trying our hand on the tutorials we had on finding the mean and the standard deviation from a frequency distribution table. So all these questions from episode 18 or so coming down is all trying to familiar ourselves with the formula. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to come back for the continuation of the episode.